Hey friends, if you wish to fix bad image error 0xc0000428 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, select check for updates. The next solution is a check the scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, type the command chkdsk /f/r and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again. This will initiate the check the scan. The next solution is a clean boot. So here's what you have to do. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar. Open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your system. And the last solution is a system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. We'll configure it first. So click on configure, turn on system protection, apply, OK. We can create a restore point. Let's say that I created it with my own name. It will need a few seconds to create the restore point. You can wait till then. And once it has been created, then at a later stage, you can simply click on open system restore. Next, select a good restore point, next, finish, and then click on yes to initiate the system restore process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.